Episode 1, Date Talk. Bago to. My name is Daniel and my beautiful wife with me. Char. Yeah. Ako rin.
Yeah, you're gonna be the one to say, this is you and this is me.
Okay.
Okay, ulit. Last
Camera rolling. 3. Alright, bago to. Episode 1 ng ating Date Talk. I'm Daniel with my beautiful wife, Char.
Yes, where we talk about marriage and other stuff that we
everything,
find
yeah,
interesting.
that we find interesting. Nice. So, ano ba mga latest sa atin?
Latest for
Una
us.
sa lahat, sikat na tayo by doing this.
Oo nga eh. Meron tayong 1 to 2 listeners.
Yes. Yung mga anak namin. Actually, 3. Yeah. So, bago lang to. It's a new endeavor for us. Trivia. Nung pandemic ay we actually had a vlogging din. Nagwa-vlog tayo nung mga panahon na yun.
Ano na ba nangyari sa vlog na yun?
Wala na.
Oo nga eh.
Lumipad din
nawala
yun,
na.
Lumipad din yun. Actually, nag-viral siya for a time.
What?
100 views.
I never knew.
May nag-message lang sa
100
akin
views.
na tigil nyo na yan. Tigil nyo na yan. Wala
Kawawa
naman kayong
naman.
Okay, sabi ko, okay po. Sige po. Anyways, so, well, ano ba yung mga recent na ganap?
We watched, as millennials,
Wow, as millennials.
As millennials,
Oo nga, no? Nga pala,
oo.
yeah, millennials tayo.
Oo naman. We watched
True.
Mission Impossible.
Oo nga, very very, ano ba tawag ito?
Very ano siya for me. Very bumoborder, ano na siya.
Nakaka-reminisce.
Bumoborderline Lito Lapid
Kal-
feels na siya. Because hindi siya namamatay at
Oh,
all,
hindi
ha?
talaga.
Kahit anong mangyari.
Sayang ang bayad pagka namatay siya.
But the stunts were, ano daw, siya daw talaga yon.
Yun ang narinig ko nga din. Yeah, so kung totoo nga, lalo yung mga jet, spoiler alert, para sa mga hindi nakakapanood. So yun, so yung mga, kung wala talaga siyang double, actually yung double yata yan eh. Kung wala siyang double, then
wala siyang
wow,
stuntman.
for his age. So, that's another topic.
Yeah, parang after namin mapanood, parang sabi ko lang kay Daniel, grabe, I can't imagine, paano na yung ex-wives niya, pag kunwari ginagawa niya yung mga gusto niya, kasi adrenaline junkie siya, diba? So,
That's why.
That's
Hindi
why,
na That's why, hindi na siguro siya pinapanood. Parang, kasi,
I don't know,
as in
who is he married to now ba?
yan ang updated ako. Alam ko wala. Alam ko wala siyang asawa ngayon. I think. Okay, I think. Hindi ko lang alam after Katie Holmes.
What?
Tama ba siya? Tama ba? Katie Holmes?
Yeah, Katie Holmes.
Ito so, alam ba yan? Mga 10 years ago pa ba yan? 5 years ago. Anyways, yan. So, maraming mga mga gimmick ng mga nakaraan. But,
you think pag kunwari, nag-ask ako na, love, mag-ano ako? Magba-bungee jump.
ka.
Hindi naman, magba-bungee jumping ako. Tingin mo papayag ka? Like in your, kasi raw tayo dito, di ba? So I can ask
walang
you
edit
questions.
to.
Like,
Sige lang,
walang
go.
edit yan.
Walang
Kaya yung
edit.
mga tiyan natin, kailangan medyo,
Kaya hindi pa ako humihinga after ilang minutos na tayo. Yung mga ganun stunt?
Or mga extreme, like,
tanungin mo yung mga anak mo.
skydiving, ganon.
Tanungin mo yung mga anak mo.
No, but you?
Me?
Hindi.
Hindi ako. Yung salamin. No. Sorry.
Why? O kaya walang asawa si Tom Cruise?
Yeah, I
Kasi
get
hindi
it.
siya pinapayagan.
Yeah. So, ganun ba yun? I don't know. But, actually, doing that is so dangerous. So,
I agree.
You don't know eh. So,
I don't even wanna do that.
Yung mga sabit-sabit sa plane, sakay-sakay sa sa torpedo. Sorry, spoiler alert. So, okay lang. May mga namatay. So,
I can't even remember. Ang haba ng movie hanggang parang
3 hours yata.
3 hours na puro adrenaline rush and puro hindi mo alam kung sinong mamamatay na next or something. So, but anyway.
Yan. Sige. May topic yata tayo. Hindi, may topic naman talaga tayo. So,
marriage mission
about
impossible.
marriage. Imposible
galing,
talaga.
No? Connect na connect.
Hindi kasi nga, itong mga podcast na to will be talking about definitely marriage, tapos kung ano man, kung saan man tayo dumapo. Kasi biglang marriage, sabay biglang politics. Wow. Pwede ba yun?
Wow! Are you
Gawin na natin yun.
serious?
Tapos
Are we gonna go there?
Russia versus Ukraine.
Hindi, inisip ko local eh.
Local.
Government.
Nako. Ayun na nga.
Okay.
Anyways,
Marriage na lang
marriage
ulit.
muna and everything
Marriage.
that we find interesting.
Yeah.
Parenting kasama naman yan. I think mapag-uusapan din natin yung parenting kasi we have
Yeah.
3 kids na rin. So, married for 13 years. Grabe love, no?
13 years na pala yun.
Parang 13 minutes
What?
underwater.
Basta.
Joke lang. Love, biro lang yun. Talaga.
But anyway, we have a
Yun.
very interesting topic for
Mhm.
today. And I don't know why Daniel picked
Ikaw
this
lang,
one.
ikaw ang nag-decide. Joke lang.
Hindi ko alam ba't
Yeah.
ito yung pinili niya. Pero
Mm.
it's about our fights.
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 Fights that now we
Laugh about.
laugh about. Kasi nga, nababaliw na tayo. That we laugh about kasi nga, we realize, ba't ba natin hindi napag-awayan yun? Parang
Yeah.
ganun. So, parang, na-realize mo lang, ako na-realize, parang, babaw naman, pero, and then, but, when we thought
then
through it,
again, hindi siya mababaw like mababaw. But, mamaya.
Kasi nga, and then we thought
Kwento
through it,
natin.
may mga importanteng factors din pala, no, that led us to where we are right now. How we settled, how we, tawag doon, reconcile, and how we went through it, all of those things.
Yeah.
So, ano ba yung mga natatandaan mo? Ako kasi
Actually, these fights, parang naalala ko, ito yung first year natin as newlyweds.
Yes.
So,
So makaka-relate yung mga bagong kasal. Pero
First
kung matagal
year,
na rin kayong
second
kasal,
year.
baka na lang natatandaan niyo, di ba?
Yeah, I don't know. Mag-comment kayo if meron kayong mga natandaan na away na pati na pinag-awayan yun. But our first one.
Ito memorable. I think pareho tayo dito. Kasi nga, ang dami rin natin.
Lagi natin itong kinukwento sa mga namimit natin na ikakasal.
True.
Not to threaten.
Yeah, totoo naman. Yeah, yung issue natin dahil sa breakfast. Almusal. Okay. Almusal. Breakfast.
Ba't mo nga ako inaway nun?
Hindi. Actually, nag-comment lang naman. Ganito kasi yun. Again, so syempre parang ilang weeks pa lang yata tayong married noon. So parang...
Like a month.
Oo, yeah.
A month or 2.
Imagine almost, a month. So and then, of course, I have an expectation. So yun yung, trigger doon. May expectation ako na, wow, sige, may asawa ako, di ba? Tapos gigising ako. And then, may expectation ako na pagising ko, may pa-breakfast man lang, di ba? Sinangag, itlog, diba? The typical.
Daming request, sinangag, itlog, tapos tosino, ganyan.
Bulalo soup.
Gigising ako ng 4:00, ganyan, tapos.
So, dumating ako, wala. Nagising ako, wala, di ba? So, parang, okay. So,
matagal siyang nagtiis bago niya ako inaway.
So, anong meron? No? Yun yung, anong meron? So, parang, sabi mo, ito, tinapay, ito peanut butter. Yan, almusal. So, yun na. And then, it happened.
And then, the rest is history.
Hindi, naman, I think, if my memory serves me right, hindi naman ako nagalit. But I made a comment.
Fight nga eh.
Hindi nga, pero hindi naman ako parang...
Tandaan ko, ginano mo yung, ba naman yan?
Simple, joke lang. So, again, yung comment ko nun was, kasi si mama, gumanon ako. Si mama kasi pagka, sa amin, may almusal kami.
Oops, sorry.
Nanginig, ayan. Si mama, yung mama ko. Hindi, joke. Joke. Uy, ano ko ba? By the ayun, so, again, tao dito, so I commented that. Nag-comment ako about it. So, nairita ka, di ba? Yun natatandaan ko, nairita ka. Di, umuwi ka na lang sa nanay mo.
Hala siya.
Hala. Recorded yun, may video ko nun. I-insert ko na lang.
Wait.
May video yun. Joke lang. So, parang yun yung natatandaan ko kasi 13 years ago na, imagine mo.
Yeah, but No, when I learned about this, na parang meron kang
Pinauwi ako.
demands
Pinauwi ako.
about
Uwi
the
ka.
next demands about the breakfast. Hindi, parang I learned na,
Yeah.
ganun pala si mama. Like,
Mm.
yung mother-in-law ko, she literally wakes up
Mm.
before, kasi she already passed away. She wakes up at 4, 5 a.m., goes to the market,
Mm.
tapos nagluluto siya ng breakfast to, guys, adobo,
Sinangag,
tocino,
ganyan.
sinangag. Kasi babaunan niya din kayo going to
Hanggang
school,
lunch na
right?
yun.
Yeah. So, kailangan talaga niya magluto.
Mm.
So, nung kinasal kami, syempre ako naman, yun yung background ni Daniel. So, me naman, my family background is, I grew up sa province. So, yes, my breakfast din, ganyan.
Yeah.
But then, when I moved to Manila for college, dorm life to. Like,
Yeah, I
anong
get it.
breakfast?
Yeah. Nag-dorm din naman ako.
Hangin. Yun.
Sobrang namang hangin. May
Wala.
mga tuna
Wala
naman
kaming
noon, century
breakfast.
tuna.
No, I don't know. Parang we were not allowed
Ay, mag-init-init, yung mga ganon.
Oo, wala.
At
So,
least
parang ang
pandesal.
food namin, or bread, or wala talaga. I didn't eat breakfast. Yeah.
Wow.
Hindi, walang breakfast.
I lost 10 pounds. May promotion pa.
Hindi,
IF. Wala pang IF nun.
Hindi pa uso IF nun. Nag-IF na ako. But really, kasi dorm life, either you have bread or you have something, ano tawag doon? Handy
Basta
or...
kakainin mo lang.
O basta yun.
Biskwit.
Biskwit. Hansel. Anyway. Yeah, and then, so nung kinasal kami, parang hindi ko in-expect na, nag-breakfast pa. Kailangan pala ng breakfast ng mga
kumain na asawa ko. Grabe naman.
Hindi mo naman ako in-inform.
Wow. Sige.
So, and then,
email na lang. To whom it may concern.
So then, that was my expectation also, na parang, okay na yun. Breakfast, bread, tsaka ano. So anyway, nung nag-away tayo because of that. You reminded me nga, kasi I forgot about this na. Sabi mo, si mama kasi. So, my question now is, parang now that we've been together for 13 years, do you think okay lang yun sa mag-asawa na nagko-compare?
Compare?
Is that a rhetorical question?
So, rhetorical.
Yeah, I think that
I think it's a rhetorical day.
So, I think that time, I kind of felt bad. Not because...
Because you were compared.
Because I was compared.
I get it. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang gusto makumpara, di ba? Like, yeah.
Not that it's a competition, but probably, there are things na sana nako-communicate better.
Yeah, I get you. Totoo naman. But the feeling, I get you, the feeling of being compared is not a good one. So, definitely the answer is no.
Yeah.
So, but, yun, I think that was the turning, yung parang, from, in my mind, dapat conversation lang siya, but because I said the wrong thing, so yun na, nag-flare up tayong dalawa. So, I think that was the first one.
Yeah.
Ito kasi, ayun,
but
kaya
wait,
siya,
can I just say, kasi I
kasi
love my
time-
mother-in-law
oh yeah,
naman.
definitely.
It's not like, why am I being compared? Or, hindi naman ganon. Siguro, as a new wife then, parang it felt like, pwede naman kasing i-request or sabihin without the si
the
blank kasi
comparison.
ganito yung
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Or was I too sensitive? Masyado bang sensitive ba?
Well, ikaw ang makakasagot nun. That is a trap question. Bigla ganun no?
Oo nga
So, dahil
naman.
tinanong mo, sagutin hindi.
Yeah, but
possible
nga. May mga hindi ma-offend naman.
Meron din siguro.
Like-
But in our scenario,
Like, if your heart is to serve your husband, then it's okay to hear those things.
could be.
Pero
Now that you
siguro
said that,
nga,
oo nga.
yung point na yon maybe, yung dating sa akin, maybe lang kasi I forgot na parang, baka am I not doing enough? Mga ganong...
Yan. Madaming trigger points, no? Grabe.
Yeah.
Triggered ka,
Ikaw kasi.
yan. So, but then again, for some reason, di natin ma-resolve yun. Parang, ang haba nung hindi usapan but the effects of it. Parang after nun, tama ba? Buong araw ba tayo hindi nag-usap? So hanggang walang resolve walang yun, hanggang sa kinausap ko si Pastor Nixon. So, kuya, ganito, ganyan, ito yung away namin. Ayun na nga.
Yeah, we have people na kinausap namin na okay, pag nag-away tayo hindi natin ma-resolve, we can go
That's
to these people
important,
and talk to them. But anyway, naisip ko lang ngayon thinking through it, parang naisip ko, bakit hindi na lang ikaw ang magluto ng breakfast?
Okay, mamaya. Bukas pala. Dahil sinabi mo, guys, live to live recording. Gabi, pinapagalitan ako ng misis ko.
No, it's
joke
just
lang.
baka naisip ko lang.
That's a good idea.
Parang wait lang, bakit ako?
Bakit hindi ikaw? Bakit naman hindi? Nangako ka sa altar. Sabi mo, pagsisilbihan kita ng buong
Sinabi
buhay.
ko ba I'll make you breakfast every day? Sinabi ko yun?
Mamaya, tignan natin.
Sige. Review natin.
Magre-review kami ng wedding video namin mamaya.
Oo nga.
Guys, live talaga to. So again, I think yung resolution natin, sige, kausapin natin sila, Kuya Nixon at Eva. So, yun yung mga time na okay, na-apply natin yung 911 natin. Kasi nag-resolve tayo na, sige, pag kami away, ito yung mga taong kakausapin natin. Huwag ka na magpaalam, ano na yan, understood na. So, dun natin natutunan yung think well. In effect, yung hindi porket nagawa niya to, nakalimutan niya to, o hindi niya nagawa to.
Nakalimutan ko talaga.
Masamang tao siya.
Yeah.
Yung parang, do you actually think?
Yeah. I think it's applicable
that your
to a lot of
husband
things.
is yeah, totoo naman.
It's applicable to a lot of things. Like, for example, di nakapag-reply. When you think well kasi, parang, when you don't think well, ang dating sa'yo is you come up with conclusions. Or assumptions.
Okay.
Like, for example, di nakapag-reply, pwedeng sabihin mo, grabe, he's too busy, doesn't care for me.
Pagkatapos niya kung ganun.
Tapos yung naman, but when you think well, pwede mong isipin, okay, busy sa work. And then you can, ask him after. Like, uy, I message you and then di ka nag-reply. Bakit?
Grabe
yan.
Bakit? Parang
wala palang load.
May pagbabanta
Wala palang load.
Ito yung no? Ano ito? Yeah, anyways. Well, yun. Grabe nag-improve tayo, no?
Yeah, kasi dati pinag-aawayan natin yung mga
tayo.
many things.
There's a lot. Actually, hanggang ngayon pa rin naman.
Oo, di ba inaway mo ko recently?
Ikaw yun.
No.
Isabihin natin dito?
No. Pero inaway mo ko recently.
Marami naman. But siguro yung isa sa mga natutunan natin is how to quickly resolve it and not to prolong the matter. Parang ganun. I think
right.
yung kasi minsan dinadrag mo na lang para lang mapatunayan mo na, di ba, tama ako. Parang ganun. Yung tigas lang ng ulo talaga. Yung pride na lang yung umiiral. So, yun. I guess, by the grace of God, di ba? 13 years after and many more years to come, yun. Ano din talaga yun. Laking tulong ng mga taong kumausap sa atin. Kumausap, actually.
Yeah. And then, okay, guys, imagine nyo, this was, ano ba, pinag-awayan natin yun parang,
13 years
kinasal tayo
ago.
Feb, March, April, and then May, love, you remember, my youth camp.
Tad tayo na, no?
Yeah, and then, ito yung youth camp na, okay, bagong wife, so, sabi ko, love, ako yung mag-empake for you, blah, 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 ganyan.
Nice.
And then, lo and behold, pagdating sa camp,
kulang-kulang. Ikaw nagsabi nun sa akin.
Wala kang medyas.
Yeah.
Wala siyang medyas sa youth camp.
Ay naman. So, nagtiis kayo sa amoy.
Yeah.
Hindi maraming kulang. Yun yung kulang. I think that was the one. Tapos, so, kailangan kong mag-speak. So, yun yung medyas ko nung dumating ako. Hanggang umuwi. Ang saya, di ba? Wala naman nakakita kung gano'n nakaitim yun. Parang pwede na yan.
Yeah, but I remember, since we're talking about fights, meron tayong fight after the youth camp. Pero I think kasi pagod na tayo or parang, I don't know, pero
Hindi,
pag-uwi sa
pagod na tayo.
bahay,
Nilalagnat pa tayo. Well, ako nung time na
yeah.
yun, pinilalagnat na ako. For some reason, napagod lang din sa biyahe.
Tapos, love, pag-uwi natin sa bahay, ito yung second fight natin.
Alam ko to, Yeah, I remember this.
Parang hindi ako
Nag-request ka.
pumapayag. Nag-request, I don't know, for some reason, nag-request ako. Parang wala akong kinalaman.
Parang, ikaw na naman ang
Nag-request
inosente.
ako
Yeah.
na i-change ang bedsheets.
Ang bedsheet.
At linisan yung banyo.
Yes.
Kasi madumi na. You remember that?
Yeah.
Tapos, nagalit ka.
Hindi naman kagad. Naghagal muna ako na pwede bang ganito, ganyan. Kasi bukas na lang, mahiga
Kasi
muna
pagod
ako.
na ako,
Pagod
linalagnat
na
ako.
ganun.
Anong sagot ko? Ay, hindi.
Hindi pwede.
Kailangan
Ganyan.
ngayon na.
Nangako ka sa altar. Yan na naman yung altar na. Yun. So, nag-ano tayo noon? Nag-back and forth tayo. Hindi, ganito, ganyan.
But I don't remember
Hindi
why
ako
I kept
makakatulog.
pushing.
Wow.
Yes, I said
Hindi
that.
ka
Parang hindi ako
makakatulog.
makakatulog sa maduming bedsheet. Oh, arte. Yeah.
Sabi ko nga ako, 1 taon na yung bedsheet namin. Okay naman, hindi pa naman nangangati.
May planeta na doon.
Ayun. So yun, so from there, ano yun, bad reaction din ako doon. Kasi, I actually did it. But I was doing it angry.
Yeah.
Naalala ko, kukus-kus ako ng tiles doon.
I don't know what occurred to me. I don't know what occurred to me na parang bakit ko sinabi na kailangan. Was I weird back then? Hanggang ngayon.
Ikaw lang din ang makakasagot niya. That is not the question that I will answer.
It's a trap question.
Dami mga trap questions na ano mo ko dyan. Parang, wait lang, sasagutin ko ngayon. Pag sinabi ko bang yes, positive.
Trap question, no?
Question.
Parang ano, am I fat? Yung mga ganon.
Well.
Oo.
So yun. So, alam mo, natandaan ko pala. After that, so sobrang inis ko nun, hindi ako tumabi sa'yo.
Sleeping.
Oo, naalala ko nun. Sobrang galit ko nun. Parang,
Kasi maduming bedsheet.
ay, parang naartihan ako doon sa bedsheet. Yung bedsheet, dahil sa bedsheet na yun.
What?
Alam mo yun?
Really? I don't remember.
Yeah, alam mo kung bakit? Kasi sinabi ko kay Kuya Leon. Sabi ko, Kuya, ganito yun na yan, ganyan. So, after that,
Oh yeah, sabi niya, ano sabi niya sa'yo?
Sabi niya,
Don't
bro,
do that again.
Don't do that.
Oh, so
Don't
you
do
learned
that.
your lesson.
Opo.
So ikaw pa rin yung masama.
Ako na naman po. Kulong na naman.
Kawawa naman.
Well, ano naman siya. Kumbaga, it's a lesson na kahit na may alitan, parang it's not an excuse na
to move far away.
Tsaka yung the danger of, di ba yung fight and flight, naalala mo yun yung,
Yeah,
sino
I
bang fight
remember
sa inyo?
that.
Sino bang flight sa inyo? Ganun. Di ba tinanong
Yeah,
sa
because there are
atin
two
yun?
responses when you face a conflict. It's either
yes.
you fight or you flight.
Yan,
So the fight would be yung makikiano ka, like argue face to
Sige.
face. Ganyan. Tapos, yung
So,
flight
ano
naman
ka?
is, eto yung mga parang walkouts.
Walkout.
Right?
Oo.
And parang,
yung cold shoulders. Yan.
yeah, silent treatment.
Silent treatment.
Ganyan.
Serves to punish. the
Or
other
uwi
one.
muna ako sa bahay
Yan.
namin.
Oo, yan.
That's a flight response.
Oo, totoo. So, talagang nasabihan din naman tayo na, whatever happens, don't do that. Kasi, that's not a healthy response.
Right.
Paano kung nasasaktan na? De joke lang. So, again, that was a learning, lesson that time na pagka ganon, resolve pa rin talaga. Siguro take time. Baka kasi kailangan hindi kasi talaga, sorry aside from mainit ulo ko, nilalagnat din talaga ako. Hindi mo ba naintindihan?
I know, I really don't know why I demanded that. I think that's so of me, inconsiderate of me.
Wow!
Oo nga, totoo.
Oh, guys, live to Grabe okay.
I don't, like,
Iyak pa ako.
bakit kaya? Weird, no? Weird.
Well, yeah, oo nga. And then, and then, usap na naman, di ba? So, parang tatadya tayo first year natin na mga ganyan.
Right.
Nakakatawa. So, buti na lang, yeah. I think that's one. Doon natin na ano yata yung resolve, yung try to, yung the issue is not the person. Doon yun eh, yung,
Oh yeah.
tatanda
Parang
mo
that's
ba
an
yan, yung,
important sa
mm,
conflict resolution.
mm,
Parang the husband and the
ilalabas mo
wife
yung,
are together.
oh,
They're not the enemies, and then ilalabas mo yung issue in
mm,
front, and then you tackle or you face the issue together.
yeah.
I don't know
Maano
what you
rin
call
yan,
issue-based
discussion,
based.
parang
Yeah,
ganyan.
parang ganon.
Pan-training, naging HR training na ito.
Yeah.
Ade,
But that really helped
mahirap,
us
pero mahirap.
kasi
Mahirap kasi ang in my mind, ang issue ko yung misis ko. Yung mga ganun,
true.
yung asawa ko yung issue. So, siya yung iti-take away ko dun sa, paano yun? So, and I've learned the part dun sa paano yun lalabas sa conversation. Naalala mo yun yung hold your hand, yung hold hands.
Eto may question
Ulo
ako.
ko, hold hands muna.
May question ako.
Mm.
Pag may conflict ba,
Mm.
who should initiate? What
Is
is
that a trap question again? Who should initiate? Kung sino yung mali. Yun ang
No,
sagot
kasi
ko.
I have an answer to that.
Okay,
Because
okay.
there's always a template. When we talk about it sa church,
Hmm.
there's sometimes may template like, oh, it should be the men, right? It should be the men,
Okay,
right?
sige. Okay. Alright. Ba't ka natawa doon? Okay, the men. Okay. Are you talking about the men, the leadership of men, how men should lead? Yun yung gusto mong i-point out. Yeah, I agree. Kaya nga, my answer to your question is that men should initiate and be the I would
The
say yung
protector of
parang
peace.
ganyan,
The vanguards of
peace. Vanguards talaga. Lupit. So, yung ikaw yung nag-uphold ng peace sa bahay. Mahirap din yun, actually. So,
Lalo na kung siya yung
and nga, di ba? And,
joke lang.
eto ba, sorry, may naisip kasi ako yung paano kasi kung yung husband, syempre, kahit paano naman, kung napagod na. I think the response also of the wife to nurture and to help. Also, parang somehow,
Comes
is
into
yun yung
play.
tumutulak dun sa pag-uphold din ng peace. So,
I agree.
I believe it must be both.
I agree.
So, pero, ang encouragement is that the man, the leader of the house, the husband, is the one initiating it. The conversation, saan, mamaya naman siguro mapag-usapan ng paano natin na nasisettle yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero yun yung pag-initiate, yun, I think yun yung sagot ko doon. But, syempre, iba rin, kunyari, yung wife din yung nag-initiate, no problem. However that, goes, someone has to cut the cycle. Di ba naalala mo yun? Someone has to cut the cycle. Di ba may book
The vicious cycle.
yung may book na pinabasa sa atin, di ba? Yung Love and Respect. Sino yun? Gary Chapman ba yun?
Hindi. Ano pala yun?
Gary V?
Hindi.
Di ko alam, I forgot. Sorry.
Love and Respect.
Love and Respect.
Si Gary Chapman is yung
yung for
gifts. Hindi. No.
For languages.
Yes, love languages.
Love languages. Okay.
Love and Respect by blank.
Yan. So, yan.
But I agree with you kasi
someone has
parang
to cut the
sometimes we
cycle.
think na, okay, men should initiate, and sometimes that's being used to undermine naman yung
oo nga.
yung
Oo nga.
ay parang it can be used to undermine naman the responsibility the responsibility of the wife also in the relationship kasi
okay.
Yes, I agree that the husband is the leader and probably he's tasked to initiate reconciliation, pero if the wife also can or pwede siyang mag-initiate din, contribute or with all humility, and when you realize na mali ka, then by all means pwede mag-initiate. I just don't see the reason na kung bakit it will be I don't know, like hindi siya magagawa ng wife because why? So, for me, it's both.
Yun nga eh. I think yung the verse that comes in while you were talking, yung outdo one another in honoring ba yan? In honoring, one another. So, I mean, in effect, parang unahan. So, whoever responds first.
Right.
Parang ganun siya. So, again, mahirap pa din. I'm not saying naman na, ganun lang, okay na tayo dun. Kasi nga, yung pride lang din. Lord, sana ma-realize niya.
Yeah, or parang
Lord,
kung
kausapin
feeling
niyo
nung
siya.
isa, siya yung tama, or feeling niya yung
Exactly.
isa, siya yung
Actually, dun tumatagal eh.
Yeah.
Yung
Or
mga ganun.
pareho nilang feeling sila parehong tama.
Yun. Which somehow leads us to what was taught to us, yung conversation na, ito naalala ko yung after ng mga, yung cleaning the CR, yung bedsheet,
Mga
breakfast,
chores kasi
mga
yun.
chores. Ang dami, no? Puro trabaho sa bahay. Hindi, kasi nga, di ba, nagsama tayo sa parang, ganun pala siya.
Yeah, and probably because we were
okay.
staying in one roof, and siguro nasanay tayo na okay sa bahay nyo, may tagagawa nun, tapos siguro sa bahay
Hindi
din.
naman. Wala naman kaming helper. Kayo ang may helper. Is that the reason why? Na hindi ako kinilulutuan
Hindi
ng
na-
breakfast? Joke lang, joke.
Possible.
Ala, kasi kayo may helper kayo. Yeah, like that.
Uy, hindi kami ganun.
Talaga ba?
We were taught early na kaya kong
magbungkal ng lupa.
Kaya kong
At
ng manok. Ang tawag doon?
Kumatay.
Yes.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Nakakatakot naman.
Promise.
Yung gigilitan mo yung
Yeah.
Yung
Marunong
tinatanggal
ako
mo yung balahibo, yung
Yeah.
Kaya mo yun?
Yeah, oh yeah.
O guys, sa susunod na podcast na papakita ng asawa ko. Tandaan nyo to Next podcast, how to kill a chicken. Live.
Anyways.
Viral yung love. Magandang idea yun. Viral, Para, marami makarinig ng ating, joke lang.
Sige, pwede naman.
Yeah. So, going back to the conversation, yung how, yung mainit yung ulo natin, love, give me your hand. Kasi may kukupak. Hindi, joke lang. Alam mo yung, we have to hold each other, saying, parang naalala ko yung, the principle of, tayo, we're one pa din. You are not my enemy. Yung ganun na, kaya I hold hands with you, signifying na meron tayong issue, and it's not you, it's not me, it's the issue. Parang ganun. So we together. Naalala mo yan yung hawak-hawak ko yung kamay mo.
Yeah.
Tapos, another part ng conversation natin is that hindi siya sisihan, but it's more of sasabihin ko kung saan ako nasaktan.
Naks.
Diba? Ito yung, hindi siya yung, ito kasi yung ginawa mo. But I realize, the language na natutunan natin is that, this
made me feel
this
like,
is how it made me feel when you said this or when you did this. So, ito yung naramdaman ko.
Yeah, that's for the offended. And then for the offender, parang you can clarify
kaya nga.
your
Hindi ma-realize
intention.
mo, di ba, na, parang hindi naman yun.
Yeah.
Okay, so, from there, yun naman pala. So, parang it's clear na, okay, hindi naman pala yun yung intention mo.
Yeah. Or at least what you mean. Kasi kunwari, meron kang sinabi and then that's not what you mean and then it becomes haywire pag pag kunwari meron kayong assumptions and then how yung pagkaka-receive mo ng sinabi ko. Yeah. So dun siya gumugulo, I remember.
Oo nga.
And so communication is important, right?
Oh, yeah. So again, yung language that comes with it. Kasi pwede yung language mo, ito kasi yung ginawa mo. So ngayon, ginaganon kita na, ito kasi, but pagka ine-expose ko, yung, I'm being vulnerable. Yun. Yung meron akong vulnerable moment. Saying, this is how I feel. I think from there, then, syempre, ganun din. And then you will also say yours side, and then I realize,
which is usually, I'm so sorry that I made you feel that way, but that is not my intention. That's not what I want to say, or that's not what I mean.
Parang, Wala.
Yung, yeah, but,
Yeah, exactly. Ganun
and then
siya.
reconciliation happens. Kasi na-clarify.
And then, that's when the apologies, di ba? Yun na yun. So, hindi lang siya yung, sige, sorry na.
Yeah.
So, parang,
And I think it helps that you talk about it. Kasi parang paminsan, nagpa-pile up yan kapag sweep under the rug type. Lalo
Mahirap
kapag,
yun.
kunwari, parang, ayoko nang pansinin yan.
na,
Parang matrabaho pag-usapan pa, ha?
that's true.
Bakit pa uupuan? Or bakit pa pag-uusapan? Okay na yun. And then, little did you know na it's been there in your heart. Hindi mo
Sumasabog
alam
siya
you're harboring bitterness na pala. And then,
That's true.
after 10 years,
Wow, 10
Nax.
years.
After 10 years, naalala
Ganun
mo nung,
katindi. Nanda mo yan, Friday, June 20. Ganun pa talaga, 4:35. Grabe. Wow, pati yun.
yeah.
Sinabi mo to, yan. Ayun, again, at least clear kasi kung saan masasabi natin na, okay, we resolve here.
Mhm.
Okay, I apologize and I'm saying this is my responsibility. Yun. So, I think, ito hindi ko alam kung, pero this is how I got it na lang as we go along nga eh. Kaya, somehow, as we continually do it, parang in a way dati kasi medyo matagal pa bago mag-respond. Parang 3 araw na. Parang wala pa rin wala pa rin usap
Ikaw yung ganun
Wow,
before.
grabe ako.
Yes, because
Ako.
I was always the
Alay.
fast one
Sorry,
na parang,
muga yung camera. Wait
tara
lang.
mag-reconcile na
Ooh.
tayo, let's talk ganyan. Tapos ikaw yung, di pa ako okay eh. Like, I have forgiven you na,
Wow.
but I'm emotionally
Yak.
not yet okay.
Yan. And then,
Diba? That was before.
that was before, yes.
Ngayon, na siya?
Nonchalant na. Okay lang.
Joke lang.
Okay, joke lang.
But I have a question. Ano yung pinaka...
Is that a trap?
Hindi. Ano yung pinaka masasabi mong okay, na discover mo or nag-unfold nung kinasal tayo and then parang you realize na, ganun pala siya. And then you had conflict and then wait, baguhin ko yung question ko. Mag-edit ka naman, di ba?
Hindi, raw na yan. Kaya nga sabi ko raw tayo dito.
Okay.
And everything that we find interesting.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
diba?
wait.
Loko!
But I was gonna ask something parang, ano yung pinaka nag-adjust ka us getting married?
Huh? Ang dami nun. Would you want to,
Pick one! Oh my gosh. Pick one. Di pick one.
Wow.
Grabe sa
In connection to
Yeah.
conflict resolution. Yun na lang para at least. Kasi nga siguro personality ko lang na I don't confront. I don't.
You don't?
I don't.
Parang nakailang confrontation sa
Hindi talaga. Kumbaga, personality ko lang. Kung okay na yon, okay na to. Sino nga ba yun? Okay na to.
Wait. You are confrontational.
Hindi. Ganito. Kumbaga,
You are.
hindi. Yung confronting na yon, yung act na yon, is more of led because
of the Holy Spirit.
Yes, okay. Pero now that I'm in marriage, pero kung hindi tayo kasal, naalala mo, may mga away din tayo even before we got married, diba?
You are confrontational.
You know what? It takes a while. Hindi, ganito. It takes a while. Hindi ako yung parang kunya, may nangyapak. Ay, siguro nga, confrontational ako. So, yun yung nagbago. Nagbago yun. Anyways, mag-aano na lang kami mga bleep. Oh, talaga. Anyways, ayun.
Ano nga ulit yung question ko?
Hindi ko rin alam, but and everything we find interesting.
Oo nga.
Anything pala.
Everything.
Anything. So, I guess in terms of yung going back dun sa conflict resolution, yun yung mga natutunan natin as we go along. Ito, have you ever naalala ko lang yung question na 'to, eh. Have you ever, opened up our issues sa parents mo, kapatid mo,
Ay, oo,
pinsan
tinetext ko
mo?
sila agad.
Hala, yung gano'n, yung parang sa pamilya, yung kunyari
Joke
parang, "Uy,
lang.
inaway ako ni Daniel," ganyan.
My
Oh,
answer is no.
because?
And
Because?
I don't do that because yung I think yung mga things that we face, issues natin about each other, I believe we can talk about it na tayong dalawa lang. And then, of course, with the help of community. But it's not that I don't trust my family, but it's my way of protecting
Okay.
also. Protecting, I don't know, like protecting. Mhm. I think it's parang,
I think the bias would be so would be, I would say, well, it can go to naman, eh, 2 ways, eh. Puwedeng
yeah,
kampihan
like
ka, puwede rin
protecting the
namang kampihan ako.
marriage. Yeah, like protecting the marriage from anything that plants bitterness. For
Ah,
example, kunwari, nagbuhos ako ng sa family ko, like, oh, ito yung ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And then we talk, and then we forgave each other, we reconciled.
mhm.
Pero yung family ko, baka hindi ka pa na-forgive. Alam mo yung ganong level of usap?
Kawawa naman, ta's Paskong-Pasko pupunta ka sa bahay. "Hello po,
Yeah,
daddy."
yeah, yeah.
Oo nga, tama 'yun. I think that's a good good
It's not that I
explanation.
don't, parang it's not like you're not trusting your family. I super love my family, di ba?
Oo naman,
And I talk to them every day.
definitely.
Yeah, but there are certain issues that I think they won't understand because they don't know the whole picture also.
Mm,
So what they will get from me lang is my side. And it will
okey.
be biased nga, the thing that you said, if they will hear it from me lang and not
In
know
short,
your
kawawa
side.
ako.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ako din, I think same perspective. Kasi nga yung bias, puwedeng ako mare-resolve ako kasi mag-uusap tayo, tama ka do'n. Pero sila, hindi sila mare-resolve kasi hindi mo naman sila
Yeah,
makakausap ng gano'n-gano'n.
exactly.
Okey na po kami ni Daniel, parang gano'n. Oo, tama,
Mhm.
tama. Tama 'yun, oo. Kasi nga minsan do'n lumalalim yung mga away, eh. So,
Hurts
yeah, yung mga
also.
hurts, mga
Siyempre, I'm
gano'n.
still the daughter of my parents.
Hmm.
So, ikaw ba pag may nang-away kay Harper?
Yun nga, ibang usapan yun. Parenting yun. That's a very good
Yeah,
topic to talk about.
yeah.
And season 2, season 2 kaagad. Kaka-episode 1 pa, may season 2 ka na eh. So,
But but here's another question. Ito, may tanong naman ako sa'yo. What about, um,
ako lang ng battery yung mic natin. Hindi,
oo
okay
nga.
pa.
What about, parang I remember getting married,
Mm.
one of the things you've adjusted talaga was my tone.
Ah,
Like you didn't like my tone at all. Like you would tell
hindi
me,
naman.
okay, Char, Nax, ibig sabihin, magkaaway na talaga tayo nun. Char, I get what you're saying, you have a point. And you're right when you say this.
Mm,
But your tone is disrespectful.
I get it. Oo, yun. Tama ka.
Why do you always tell me that?
Ah,
Nax,
because
always. Why do you
always, eto
always
na
tell
naman
me
tayo. Marami
that?
tayong matututunan. ano, because that's how it made me feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so again, kaya name-mention ko 'yun kasi nga 'di ba parang feeling ko nade-demean ako dun sa comment. Ikaw rin naman may gano'n ka sa'kin parang, sarcastic mo, parang ako naman parang, I'm
Yeah.
not
But
sarcastic,
actually,
I'm
when you
just
point that out to me, I'm not aware of my tone. So
uh-huh,
I think as wives and husbands, parang dapat open ka rin for correction talaga. Like, for example, may conflict and then merong may matter na i-discuss, kailangan open ka rin na, oo nga no, parang sino pa ba ibang magsasabi sa akin na yung tone ko is like this pala. It's offending people or it's offending...
Gotcha. Hindi kasi siguro factor na panganay ka. So that's another discussion but isa parang you're or ganito, ganyan.
Tapos ikaw,
At,
middle child.
ate kita? Ano ka tayo?
Kasi middle child ka, love.
Yeah, well,
De, joke lang.
again, that's another
I mean,
discussion. But,
yeah.
yun
Does
yung
that really
nafe-feel ko.
matter? Pwede natin i-ano
Ay,
yun.
pwede mapag-usapan. Actually, may vlog na tayo. Ang daming mga ganap. But, yun. Nag-adjust ako doon. Pero nag-adjust ka din. Na-realize, nag-adjust ka din. Kasi nung nalaman mo na, teka lang, overpowering yun. Or masyadong, it comes in strong, in effect, disrespectful for me. So, nag-adjust ka rin, di ba?
Yeah, like, meron tayong last week, di ba?
Mm.
This week lang.
Nag-sorry ka naman.
Oo, nag-sorry ako.
Apologize.
Oo
I
nga.
get you. Thank you. I
Yeah.
appreciate that. Ganun.
Yeah, nag-sorry lang ako like how I said it was.
It was too strong, sabi mo.
Love, I'm sorry kasi I think I was telling you something. No, sambait! I was telling you something and I came in too strong. Next.
Ganyan. Galing. Iba na talaga. After 13 years. So yun. So again, those are the fights that somehow
we laugh about now.
We laugh about now. Sorry. We laugh about
Water.
now. And pero hindi naman dahil kinalimutan lang natin.
Yeah. I think
hindi naman yun, kalimutan mo na lang kasi I don't think mangyayari yun.
Yeah, yun nga. I think we can laugh about it now because napag-usapan na eh.
Oo.
So, nalatag, naupuan, and then we discussed it, and then we resolved it, hopefully, and then we reconciled.
Agree.
So, siguro for us now, we can talk about it like this, even in a podcast setting, kasi nga,
mag-usap sa harap.
sa harap ng marami.
Mga lima yung nakikinig sa atin ngayon. Okay lang ba, guys?
Yeah, but then again, I said kanina nga, when you sweep it under the rug, then yun nga, parang it will still feel probably awkward or...
Yep. I think ang laking tulong din ng mga tao who talked with us. Kasi nga, for me, up until now, they're just there.
Yeah, they can give kasi, a third person can actually give you, like, can actually see the picture objectively. Yung parang, okay, ito. And then, di ba for some, parang yun nga, once they see the big picture, parang mas nakikita nila. Kasi pag you or yung dalawa in conflict, they tend to see, ito lang. Di ba?
Wait lang. Sorry, I'm opening a can of worms right now. So,
okay.
It's not a trap question.
Sure. Go ahead.
But have you ever have you ever
So, konyo.
told our conflicts to your friends na hindi ko alam? Or
friends na hindi mo...
na hindi ko alam, I mean, hindi ko alam na nakwento mo. Or ganito na lang, meron bang instance na kinuwento at na-realize, wait lang, hindi pa yata alam na di niya na kinuwento ko sa inyo, but ngumiti ka!
Yeah.
Ka.
No, but I have core friends na...
Core? Like 50 of them. Like, so they all know.
No, I have core friends na hindi na ako nagpapaalam, di ba?
I get you.
Like, oh, by the way, I told Aina or I told Justine or Sonja, ganyan. Para hindi na nagpapaalam.
Yeah.
Tsaka ito, si ganyan. Tsaka si ganito.
Si ganito. By the way, yung...
Tayo lang.
Tayo lang. 30 na kayo dito.
No, but seriously, I have my core friends, I call them. And sila yung people who know me and who are close to me and who know you as well. Na,
that's true.
in my honest opinion, in my lying opinion.
May lying opinion kasi.
Oo nga, pet peeve ba natin? In my honest opinion. Hindi, wag yung lie.
Yung
joke.
lie lang, okay.
So, in my opinion, no matter what I say or how bad the picture I give them of the conflict, they will not judge you. or they won't.
So, kung nakikinig kayo ngayon.
Or they won't. Or parang, I trust that how they see you will not be changed. Or something like, they will still see you in...
Gotcha. Yeah.
In God's eyes.
Siguro in my opinion, in my humble opinion. No.
Ayun kasi tama o humble, hindi
Yeah.
honest.
As long as I also trust them. Kasi yun naman yung kailangan na
Correct.
and then I remember even before naman all of those yung mga conflicts. Kumbaga, I remember my conversation. Okay lang ba na kunyari I also have my friends who I can talk to aside from Kuya Nixon, yung mga
The
ganon sila, Pastor
911
Paolo, yung mga
people.
ganon, yung mga pastors natin na nakakausap natin. Meron din akong mga friends. And then, I remember I said yes to ito, mga ganon.
Yeah. You said yes to 20 people. Joke lang.
Just
Yeah.
4 or 3?
Yeah.
Unless you give me...
Hindi, konti lang. And these are women friends.
Yeah.
Because I'm not,
yeah.
I don't think I'm close to anyone na
Yeah,
na a male friend.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Oo.
Wala naman.
I'm saying, yung, kumbaga, yung conversation na aside from the couple na who watches over us, yung mga friends. So, yeah, anyways.
How about you?
Kasi,
How about you? I know you tell
kasi
Kuya
yung mga friends ko
Rev.
rin, mga pastor din.
Yeah.
So, parang,
Kaya pala pag tinitignan nila ako,
nga, yun pala siya. Alam na ng buong barangay. Joke lang.
Yeah, but I think it's important for a couple na meron din silang trusted friends.
Yeah.
Hindi
I think
lang
yun
yung hindi yung naka-broadcast yung away to everyone. Know what I mean?
Oo, yun yung point kasi nung question ko na ano yung masasabi mo na wag mo na yung broadcast kasi hindi naman nila yun. Hindi naman kailangan nila malaman yun.
But you know what I also remembered? We're also the couple. We're not the type of couple who hides our issues. Parang hindi tayo ganon. Like, we are very, I think, open, vulnerable.
Because we know we need help.
Yeah.
Doon sa part na yun. But may mga issues na rin tayo for just to qualify what you're also describe. And I believe that. Pero yung, kasi may mga issues lang, kunyari, okay na yun. Okay na tayo. Nag-settle tayo. Parang, open ka naman na ikwento yun after the fact. Parang gano'n. Pero yung, lang kunyari,
like, it's not like meron kang record of wrongs. Sas, ito nga pala yung mga mali ni Daniel this week.
Yeah.
It's not like
hindi na siya ganun. Kasi nga, may mga conflicts na rin tayo na bumilis na rin tayo na mag-resolve. Yung parang, lumawak na yung understanding natin on the matter. Pero may mga, parang hirap yun parang may conflict pa rin, pero yun, then dun pupunta yung papasok yung mga taong tumutulong sa atin. Yun, that's where I believe importante talaga yung mga ganun na tao. Na you trust. Not na you trust. Yun talaga yung key. Kasi pag hindi, diba?
So, that's it, guys?
Ayun lang. Hindi namin alam kung paano ilalanding to. 3 oras na yata kami nagsasalta. But kung nakikinig kayo, hindi. But again, with all of the things na, it's good to have, people that you trust who can watch over you. Hindi sila yung basta kakampi lang. I think yun yung kaya natin sila, kaya we gave them the authority ba yung tawag doon? Or we gave them na sige lang, you can speak to our lives. Parang ganon. Kasi nga, we know na hindi rin sila mag-hold back. Hindi rin sila parang maingat silang mag-handle sa atin in effect na parang hindi naman nila na-resolve yung issues, so to speak. So, but talagang kung kailangan, ito yung, hard truth. Yun yung meron tayo by the grace of God. So, happy naman na people are watching over us. No?
Yeah.
Sila Rev, sila Ate G, yan, pag yung mga kaibigan natin, nandito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Sila JR, yan, mga ganun. So anyways, yun. So
that's it, guys.
Yun lang. Marami pang usapan na susunod. So
I hope you find this interesting.
If not, then Quit nyo na. Unsubscribe. Wala pang subscribe, unsubscribe na eh. Di pa nagsisimula, wala na. But anyways, thank you for listening to us.
Bye guys, till next
Thank
time.
you. Date Talk. See you next episode.